Hi there, welcome back. In this video we are going to learn what is DNS server, domain name system. It is responsible to convert host name into the IP address and from the IP address to the host name. Let's take the example. So when you type something on the browser, that will goes to the local DNS server. If local DNS server does not find anything suitable with your whatever you typed on the web browser, that will goes to the again web server, and that will display the content on the web browser. So that's it. It's a simple one. Of course, in Service Desk you really don't have to work on DNS server, this kind of stuff, but of course you should have the knowledge. That's what is part of this Service Desk Analyst course. Thanks. Let's see you next video.